Hello and welcome back. My name is Dr. John Botting, and in this second video, I will provide you with an outline of 6 lecture topics that I plan to discuss in this series of professional development videos. As a reminder, the target audience for these videos is mid-career elementary and junior high school teachers in Osaka City, or more specifically, teachers who have been chosen to manage the implementation of ICT and education technology in their schools. For many of you, this may be the first time for you to manage ICT and education technology, so I will try to provide you with fundamental information and advice that I hope will put you on a path to success. Here is an outline of 6 main topics that I will discuss. Topic 1, the manager's mind. The way that a manager thinks and the way that a teacher thinks are different. To successfully implement and maintain ICT and education technology at your school, you will need to use a manager's mind. I will explain about that kind of mind. Topic 2, definitions. I will define the key terms ICT, education technology, and technology-enhanced learning. These 3 things are not the same. Clarifying this language will help you later with goal setting, problem solving, and resource management. Topic 3, innovation, rather diffusion of innovation. What happens when we try to implement something new? I will talk about 5 different types of people and how they tend to respond to change. I will also mention something called the work-life complexity hypothesis. This topic will focus on the nature of people, and the knowledge will help you to organize your manager's mind. Topic 4, available resources. A variety of internal and external resources are available to you and others at your school. Some resources are already in your school, and some have been developed by MEXT and the Board of Education. Do you know what these resources are? And are they widely available to people in your school? Topic number 5, policies and procedures. A big part of how a school operates is systematization through policies and procedures. In this video, I will talk about how the reality of a full implementation of ICT and education technology might impact existing policies and procedures at your school. Things like data security and signing up for online services and so on. Topic 6, basic implementation plan. What are the components of a basic implementation plan for ICT and educational technology at a school? Based on my own real-world experience in this area, I will provide you with a list of things that I think are the minimum things to think about and action steps to take. My goal is to give you a survival guide, checklist, so that you can move forward systematically with some confidence at your school. The final video will be a summary video of the main points and a closing statement. That is my general outline. Let's get started. Please join me in video 3, where I will explain about the manager's mind.